Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So today I wanted to do a quick little tutorial with the Controversy palette. Yay! So I waited in line at checkout on Morphe.com for the Conspiracy palette, and we all know that was crazy. I was there right at 10 a.m. I wasn't able to get the big palette. I had like the whole bundle in my cart actually, and then when it was my turn, for some reason I got booted out. But anyways, I was able to get the mini Controversy. So this is what it looks like. Very cool. I already dipped into some of the shades to do a color swatch on my Instagram. But if you want to see, stick around and subscribe. So I really like a lot of the colors in this little palette. I think I'm gonna do these colors and then these. So we'll just go ahead and see what happens. I'm just gonna play around. So I think I'll start off with the shade Flat Earth, which is this lightish blue color up at the top. So we'll just see what happens. An interesting color. I don't know if it's picking up. I mean, it's pretty. Okay, so far, that's what that looks like. Kind of want to go in with Controversy. Ooh, this is going to be really pigmented, I think. Yeah. Very pigmented. Very cool. I like that color. So Controversy so far is my favorite. I think I'll take Exposed and try that in the corners. Wow, that's pretty too. I didn't expect it to look like that because it's pretty light, you know, in the pan. Sorry, my dog's barking. I think I want to try Canceled and the Simulation on the rest of my lid and see how that turns out. Ooh. So far, I think the colors are really like blendable. and very pigmented. I think I'll go back in and smooth out the crease a little bit. And then take a little bit of that flat earth color and then blend out a little more. I want to take the simulation and maybe try a little bit in the corners. Or maybe up in the crease too. What do you guys think? Okay, now I'm just gonna put on my eyeliner and my mascara, and then I will be back in a flash. Okay, everybody, so I added my eyeliner and my mascara, and I think this looks pretty sick. First impressions, I had never done an eye look with this palette yet since I've had it, but look at the intensity of those colors. Like, that's really cool. Sorry, this is a quick little tutorial. It's like almost 6 in the evening and my husband's gonna be home soon. But so just so you know, I used Flat Earth, I used Controversy, I used Exposed, I used Canceled, I used the simulation. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I used 5 colors for this look. I think it looks really, really neat. Yeah. So do you guys have it? What do you think? Have you tried it yet? I think next I'll use in my next tutorial the colors that I didn't use. So Cry on My Couch, My Boyfriend's Purse, Root Beer, and My Apology. So I'll try that corner out, which I think would also look pretty sick too. But yeah, let me know your thoughts below. Do you want me to do any other looks from this palette? Yeah, just kind of give me a comment below. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you are current with all of my videos when I put them out. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up if you liked this video. I know, I'm sorry it's quick. My hair's a mess. I'm in a sweatshirt. I know it's crazy, but I just wanted to get on here. I was too excited to play with it. So yeah, let me know your thoughts and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.